This is what I call living, you know. A vacation in my own yard.
Wait. How comes you get to put on a thing and a thing? You see the party turn up. The pana girl, she hot till she a burn up.
Because mad.
Oh, auntie allow you to do this?
This is my house too, sirs. How you mean by how she allow me to keep parties? How rude. Besides, she gone to the country for the weekend.
Now that makes sense.
Not disturb my tranquility.
Camera, action started. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican talk it. You get a couple million now we on at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me da buy a house, a car. Me the girls them funny, but that's a if I probably a when or if you get lucky. It really all depends on me and me crew. We better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me. We are them other man. Yes, we are them other man.
I look like my manufacture money. Talk about buy house, fix car. And the one Roger him I come talk about him pinning need money for go to school like me breed him. Bright. You know something, them better leave me alone and go look some work for doing now.
Alright. See my down no pick me. I'm under your pressure. Now you're giving me a headache.
Sorry, Mama. But I'm the one just go country to get some cool breeze, some nice country breeze. And the one of them just overshot me like junk up and then me.
Hi,
man. You stomach, man.
Me say enough.
Oh, Mama, sorry. Just want to go home to some peace and quiet here, man. I just want to go up the one I'm not having crew left to make me nice in my head, you know. Oh, because right now me really exhausted and me want some rest. Well, you know, say a full time them fix the road, yeah? No matter how we talk about it, them not doing nothing about it.
Well,
just mash up the whole of my front.
You didn't think that I make any difference? That beat up your gum.
Mama, watch out. Oh, which rare I keep party about the place. Me tell you about them low life people, yeah? No, man. No, sir.
Mommy, this is a private party. You're on the guest list.
Yes. You know something? You better come out of my way now and leave me yard about guest list.
Aye. So you is a collector, Miss Son, because I am the accountant, and I'm going to take all that you have right now.
No, crabby. I'm going to kill that boy and Emerson Morris Jr.
You know him from round the building, she rough what and thing.
Emerson Coleman Morris, come here to me this instant. And the rest I don't know, come out of my yard.
Mommy, what kind of disrespecting this?
Hold on a little. Hold on, you smell yourself. And we are chat to some. Imagine, me not gone one day and you full up your old gym bang friend them. Eh?
Mommy, embarrass me in front of all my friends, you know. They're so miserable and cantankerous. It's my house, this too, you know. If I want to keep a little party with a few of my close friends, what am to that?
So me miserable and cantankerous now? Well, let me ask you a question. Why you never tell me say I keep party? In my roommate? Eh? And friend me hell? Eh? Half of the people Where name? Argument done. Hold on a little. On the other hearing. On the ear, understand if you come out and go on the it's alright, you know something, I'm a phone there. Phone.
What you try to do? I call police for my party, mommy? Hey, yo, people, party done. Too much oppression a go on.
Hold on. You smell yourself. Oh, yeah, chat. You want to feel?
Touch me grandbaby one more time and you're going to see the God where you serve.
You know what? Enough for this. I just leave out of your place, yeah?
Yes.
I leave.
Yes. Go on. Follow back your jing bang friend and come out.
Beatrice. Quiet. And the two of you inside.
Mommy.
Now. Gonna sit down. But anybody see me dying and sinful trial? Gonna stop the foolishness.
Yo, I'm tired of she treat me like a picnic, you know, mama. Eh? All that disrespect me all in front of my friend them.
When you just start acting like a big man, I'll treat you like one. I'm about friend them. After all the outside a while, you don't even know them. But come see food and liquor, and it's who pay for them, eh? Who pay for all of that? But don't you worry. I'm going to dare yourself to say who went stay behind to help you clean up the mess. So you start by friend now. You fool like your father.
You know what? You know for this. Love you, mama. Love you. But I'm going to leave out before I go say something I'm going to regret, yeah?
No, Mr. Murray, say it. Say it, Mr. Murray.
Yeah, listen to me now. I'm a big man, you know. And about time I start living my life, my way. Yo, you know what? I come out of your house, yeah?
You know, say the person ever talk to me, so. Mama, you think him really serious?
My love, me think you've gone too far this time.
See the man here.
Oh, you mean?
Come on, come on, man.
Yeah, you that you.
Happy birthday, youth. So, you how much now?
Me a big man for you. A that you fi know. Look at some dirty up man close too. You know, says a party you fi really keep still. A long time I'm not gonna party, you know. Just show Nana son to play the music.
No son. You know we can make it happen. We are gonna make it happen. Yo. Have a skill in my youth. Nah, tell no lie no, yo. You have to use it, you know.
Real?
Yeah, man. So, wow. When are we giving the sound?
Son.
Come to Benz. A matter of fact, the Benz.
That mad, you know. Benz. But foreigner come from, so La Benz.
Yeah. As a Cali will say, or a Paris, France. Which one?
Oh, youth. Benz a Benz, man.
Yo, you know me. No, a brethren where work a stone love, you know. Me can't ask for the pole, fee. Some equipment, you know.
You know we, Paul.
How you mean?
Yo, too much ho. You think of Christmas? Here we goes. Make your link. In the meantime, we're gonna make a bill with name of some party about the place here. See?
La Benz.
Tell you, La Benz, man. La Benz. Manners.
Yes. So nice, I don't want to build sound.
Yeah, God, Father, you no, we China thing, you know?
Alright, now about that talk. And that I don't want to do.
Yes, Father Paul.
Alright then play something for me then, no?
When?
Like now. So the record them there, so you made of. Stop. On nobody no. Me I hear a thing about you, so me I deal with.
Yeah.
I'm like when the young youth them positive and creative and I do things in their life. So me I say, but here we go on now. We have a nice great collection of phone, you know. You see them record you know, more you learn them. Like when you study the new music, them will come out. See, them tune you know, I bet your sound have belly them. You see me and David?
Yes, Father.
So, let's go study them songs, you know. You hear me I say?
Yes.
Alright, respect.
Yeah, man, respect, yeah.
No say a word. Blessed, you know? Blessed.
Belly out here, every girl out here belly. Me sit down, lash on, Suzette and Shelly. Some can't get the belly, and them dash you already. From your brain, my girl, just show off the belly.
You, man, what I was telling you about Hemsley.
My youth, I tell you don't call me that, call me Junior.
Hemsley. So I deal with.
Yo, the man can DJ, the man can rap, the man can make rhythm, the man can sing and...
Yo. I ask you nothing. So you say, you're a DJ. Do a tune for me now.
When?
Right now. On the corner, run it.
You know, I never perform in front of so much crowd yet still.
What you gonna know if you're a DJ? You have to do a tune so the crew can hear. Alright, watch this. Yo, crew! You to say I'm a DJ. They go give him a run. I wanna tell me if him can pass.
Yeah. It's like a wicked, what up like pepper, we burn like acid. So any boy this, them a take I'm dead.
Oh, Villa, tell us a man bad Villa, man. But all you want to do, I sit down in the house every day and I write tune.
You can say an artist and lock up in your room every day, a DJ in front of your mirror. You have to come a road.
Yeah, man, I know.
Here we come link me every Wednesday and practice on the sound, see?
Alright.
And make sure you have new lyrics every week. And make sure them bad. I see the crew, Then we laugh off of your remember that.
Alright, I can't book them too.
Yeah, man.
Scene, Hemsley, Benzly.
Yeah, man, me like that. Benzly.
That like pepper, it wicked like acid.
Yeah, man.
Auntie, what going?
Hey, Carey, how you do?
Me right, you know, you?
Me good. How are you, mommy?
Well, she alright, you know, she just go and sort out something because she want to go work over Cayman.
Oh, yes, she did tell me.
Yeah.
Well, I'm just there try to find the right lotto number them, you know, because me have to win this one day.
One day, Auntie. So the one junior day?
As usual, up in here, I'm going to make a bag of nice. I'm going to tell you, sometimes I feel like the nice are going to drive me crazy in this house.
Lord, man, Auntie, stop going so. It's so pay off.
Yeah, I think I stand a better chance to win this a lotto than him for boss. All him do is make a bag of nice day in, day out.
Alright, Auntie, me I go hear him a deal with.
Alright.
Yo, cuz, what going?
Ratchet, my youth. You couldn't have fuss. You could have a girl in a naked and go with a bag of things, you know.
Listen, me and you know say you know no woman. Cause no girl not so fool. And as a matter of fact, Auntie the right out there, so go and fool yourself.
Yo, hold on there. I come like say you don't understand, you know. Yo, cuz, I'm sure you have vibes. Why you think the music so loud at daytime? It's because I want to know so I can sneak in a girl at any time and mommy don't know what going on.
Oh, you see you? But on a serious note, mate, you know say you style for yourself, lock up in the house at DJ video in front of the mirror. You there for there now?
Yeah man, I know. And that's why I make a link on the Benz corner yesterday. Where were you?
Me and context the on a Jamaica yesterday a bit of vibes.
Oh, so cool. How you go?
No, you know, just some boy off of the back of bad man the flicks. I didn't forget for going star.
Brothers, Buju Bantada. I ruin I know.
Yo, Bill, I run the rhythm there. I make sure you set the cassette. Talk about this body case, man. There's no time to waste. Have mercy. Listen. Get the pleasure, not the pain. Control the body, mesmerize the brain. But any girl a go like she too dread, like she want terrorize, forgot her blood.
Hey, Rich.
Yeah man, I'm going to carry the book them too.
Here what? Your new kids are going to work today. So I'm going to set the cassette so it can record, you know, so you can listen back on yourself. Because as artists, you have to learn to write on all type of rhythm. Alright. That one I name the darker shade. Benzly, take the microphone.
It's a thin line between love and hate.
How you do?
Sing.
You sing or you DJ?
Well, I can do both, you know. But because I type a rhythm where they play, I decide to sing.
Listen to me, Benzly. Choose one. It's right now, a DJ want to hear a DJ.
No problem. Make of it imagination with brand new creation, original in every way and no duplication. So where them a go do fi stop this revolution? The young veteran, girl stallion, no one's better than the long mother man. Y'all take dictation, score information.
and ask you what you're looking.
No, not looking at anything.
No, I have something for you now. Come here.
I'm not looking at anything today.
One of the lady and I beg you something I sell, may I sell you? What you come skin up her face like you smell something? Your face feel when John Crow make love.
Bottom one.
I wish part you buy this. I'm not open up on a frozen woman there, you know.
Yeah, man. That thief woman there.
Remember me tell you such a thief body, you know? No. And anybody when you see thief grabs it. I'll double thief because you know grabs him a criminal.
Ladies, good afternoon, ladies. Ladies, how could I interest you in some brand new lingerie to catch eyes of that special someone? Or some nice couscous perfume made in Paris, France, when your man smell it, him supposed to go and rewind like cassette.
You go on, your mouth too sweet.
That's right, I ran out my teeth.
Well, lie, you're the real walking salesman.
No. I am the ultimate urban businessman. Anything you want, I have, or I can get it.
So onto the car.
I can get that for you. Ladies, I also have cassettes, CDs, DVDs. I have some little something that sound like a DJ I'm planning to carry in the future, named Cartel.
So I go on the book here, man. You need some more hardcore lyrics than them, man. But seriously though, youth, if you combine your style, you don't want to go on out the road right now. It's a shell. Come here, listen to you, and you see your style, you think them different. It's like you think outside of the box. They're mad, youth.
John Star, thanks.
Put in a party. Zigzag Papa boy in the box. Mad man.
Yo, Mark. My phone can't make a call.
Again? The time you have to get care to make all my youth. She ain't bother this in my youth. Time when me have to get care to my money. Yo, hold this man and make a call in case. Channels now. Minutes.
Yo. We're not forward on the corner. Yeah, Ricky keep a stage show, you know. Yeah, and tell that for them too, yeah? Ah, cool.
Yo, alright, me I call you up on the cheering you seen?
No, man. Ricky said I'm do my thing alone.
Yo, me call you.
No, I can't come start.
Yo, you ready? Yeah!
Come in Benzly and drive when I'm here. Imagination, with brand new creation.
no lie, with you and the Innocent Kru, youth, the thing sick of the complete package. When you see the bagger man thing, we need to get rid of some of them. 13 man in one group, that don't make no sense. We need some organization. Listen, I have 4 of them see. Clumsy, him are the Jamaican flavor. Kappa, he bring the old school style hardcore. Maka are the flow bank lyrical genius. I see you, Benzly, you are the wow factor. You come with some unexpected things where nobody now think of. Sing about to you know. What I just 4 of them say, nah lie.
That time me go take over your body system. Suck down your body, make you look like a pin. Cause you're taking the drugs and you're not
Innocent. Bad, you know. Udo. I go. Run the place. Me tell you that. Hype.
Frotted. What go on, Villa?
Tell me now.
Daydream, now. But me and the crew just come from the corner star.
Eh, real thing, you know.
Yeah.
You know, when I come from far, I don't have even further to go. Remember me tell you that. So you look so dumb, dog.
You know, see, me and mommy in a fight. Feel like I want to just move out of the house and get my own place, isn't it?
Aye. Ain't a good thing that. It's about time, you know. For me like you, just leave out the house and the car and start fresh. Bachelor pad. New car, everything. And I like saying I have the money to do it in a dog.
Yeah, no still, but just that I never really live without mommy yet still, isn't it?
Hype of time I learn, man. How more time I want a place to carry 2 cats over. Don't know my mother stay already.
When was that you pre, you know?
Nah, man. A real talk. You can do this, man. Easy, simple thing. Need help your pack.
Alright.